Welcome to From Me to English, where English becomes simple, step by step. Part 1. Check-in and boarding pass.
Tom, are you ready? This is your first time at the airport.
I don't know, Ashley. The airport is so big. I feel lost already.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Just stay close to me.
But what if I miss the flight? What if I go to the wrong gate?
Relax, Tom. We'll be fine.
Will Tom miss his flight? Stay with us and find out, while you learn English step by step.
Okay, first step is check-in. Do you see that big desk?
Yes, people are waiting in line.
That's the check-in counter. We give the staff our passport and they give us a boarding pass. Vocabulary. Check-in counter means the desk where you check your ticket. Example, I go to the check-in counter before my flight. Boarding pass means the paper ticket for the plane. Example, this boarding pass shows my flight and seat.
Boarding pass. Okay.
Shadow me. I need my boarding pass.
I need my boarding pass.
This is my boarding pass.
This is my boarding pass. Ashley, my boarding pass has so many numbers.
Let me explain. Here, look. This is your flight number, XY214. That's the number of your airplane. Example, flight number XY214 is going to London.
Flight number XY214.
Shadow me. My flight number is XY214.
My flight number is XY214.
What is my flight number? My flight number is XY214.
What is my flight number? My flight number is XY214.
Good. Next, this is your gate. Gate 12. That's the door where we enter the plane. Example, my gate is number 5. I go there to board the plane.
Gate 12. Okay.
Shadow me. My gate is 12.
My gate is 12.
I go to gate 12.
I go to gate 12.
And here is the boarding time. 9:30 a.m. That means we must be at the gate before 9:30.
Boarding time means the time I go inside. Okay?
Example, if the boarding time is 9:30, I cannot come at 10. That is too late. Shadow me. My boarding time is 9:30 a.m.
My boarding time is 9:30 a.m.
I must be at the gate before 9:30.
I must be at the gate before 9:30.
Excellent! And look here, your seat number, 14A. That's your seat on the plane.
Seat 14A. Window seat?
Yes, lucky you! You can see the clouds. Example, my seat number is 10C, near the aisle. Do you know why seat numbers use letters like A, B, C?
No. Why?
Because A is usually the window, B and C are in the middle, and D is the aisle seat.
Oh, so 14A means window seat. Nice.
Yes, many people love window seats for the view. You can look at the sky, the city, and the clouds.
And aisle seats?
Aisle seats are popular too. People can stand up and walk easily.
Middle seats? Not so lucky.
Yes, middle seats are not comfortable. But remember, seat numbers are always printed on your boarding pass, so you can never forget. Tom, remember, don't be afraid of new things. Reading a boarding pass looks difficult, but if you learn step by step, it's easy.
Like English. Step by step.
Exactly. Every small step makes you more confident. Today you learned check-in counter means the desk to check your ticket. Boarding pass means the paper ticket for the plane. Flight number means the number of your airplane. For example, XY214. Gate means the door to the plane. Boarding time means the time to enter the plane. Seat number means your chair on the plane. Shadow me. I need my boarding pass.
I need my boarding pass.
My flight number is XY214.
My flight number is XY214.
My gate is 12.
My gate is 12.
My seat number is 14A.
My seat number is 14A.
Perfect! You survived check-in. Ready for security?
Okay, let's go. Part 2. Security and getting lost.
Okay, Tom. We have our boarding passes. Next step is the security check.
Security check? That sounds scary.
Don't worry. It just means the airport checks your bag and body to keep everyone safe. Security check means the place where staff check you and your bags. Example, I must go through the security check before the flight. Shadow me. I must go through security check.
I must go through security check. Ashley, what is that big box?
That is the X-ray machine. You put your bag inside, and it shows a picture of what's inside.
X-ray machine. Oh, like a photo.
Exactly. Example, my laptop goes inside the X-ray machine. Shadow me. I put my bag in the X-ray machine.
I put my bag in the X-ray machine.
And you must show your passport too. The officer checks your name and photo.
Passport means my travel ID.
Yes, without passport, no flight. Shadow me. This is my passport.
This is my passport.
Now we walk to the gate. Look at the big screen. That's the departure board. It shows all flights.
So many numbers. I see XY214, Gate 12, on time.
Perfect. On time means the flight is not late.
What if it says delay?
Delay means the flight is late. Departure board means the big screen with flight times. On time means not late. Delay means late. Shadow me. My flight is on time.
My flight is on time.
My flight is delayed.
My flight is delayed. Ashley, wait. Where is Gate 12? I don't see it.
Don't panic. Sometimes airports are confusing.
I think I'm lost.
Then ask for help. You can say, "Excuse me, where is Gate 12?
Excuse me, where is Gate 12?
Perfect. Example, "Excuse me, where is the information desk?" Shadow me. Excuse me, where is Gate 12?
Excuse me, where is Gate 12?
Did you know many airports are like small cities? They have restaurants, shops, even hotels inside.
Really? So big?
Yes, the biggest airports have trains inside to take you to your gate.
Wow. No wonder I get lost.
That's why asking for help is normal. Even experienced travelers ask. Tom, remember this. Getting lost is not failure. It's just part of travel.
Really?
Yes. If you ask politely and stay calm, someone will always help you.
Like English again. If I don't know a word, I can ask.
Exactly. Small questions lead to big confidence. Today you learned security check means the place where staff check you and your bag. X-ray machine means the machine that looks inside bags. Passport means a travel ID. Departure board means the screen with flights. On time means not late. Delay means late. Excuse me, where is gate 12? Means asking for help. Shadow me. I must go through security check.
I must go through security check.
I put my bag in the X-ray machine.
I put my bag in the X-ray machine.
This is my passport.
This is my passport.
My flight is delayed.
My flight is delayed.
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Perfect. You passed security and found the way. Now let's go to the waiting area.
Okay, I feel a little better. Part 3. Asking for help and waiting area.
Flight XY214, please proceed to gate 12.
Ashley, we walked so much, but I still don't see gate 12.
Then let's ask. Remember, excuse me, where is gate 12?
Okay. Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Gate 12 is that way. Just follow the signs.
Thank you.
Good job, Tom. You asked politely and clearly information desk. Means the place where staff give you answers. Example, I go to the information desk for help. Shadow me. Excuse me, where is the information desk?
Excuse me, where is the information desk?
Look, we found gate 12. Now we can sit in the waiting area.
Waiting area?
Yes, it's the place with chairs where passengers sit before boarding. Example, I sit in the waiting area before my flight. Shadow me. I am sitting in the waiting area.
I am sitting in the waiting area. Ashley, I see our flight number again. It says on time.
Great. That means we will leave at the right time.
But sometimes it says delay, right?
Yes. Delay means late. Don't worry, we're lucky today. Shadow me. My flight is on time.
My flight is on time.
Attention passengers. Flight XY214 to London. Boarding will start soon at gate 12.
Boarding?
Boarding means going inside the plane. When they call your flight, you must show your boarding pass and passport. Example, boarding starts at 9:30. Tom, did you know airports use announcements in many languages?
Really?
Yes. In big airports, you may hear English, French, Japanese, all together.
Wow. So many voices.
It helps international travelers. Without announcements, many people would miss their flights. Tom, sitting in the waiting area teaches something important.
What is that?
Travel needs patience. You must wait calmly. Stress doesn't make the plane come faster.
Like learning English. I need patience too.
Exactly. Waiting and learning step by step. Both take time, but both give results. Today you learned information desk means the place for help. Waiting area means the place with chairs before the flight. Boarding means going inside the plane. Announcement means the message you hear in the airport. Patience means calm waiting. Shadow me. Excuse me, where is the information desk?
Excuse me, where is the information desk?
I am sitting in the waiting area.
I am sitting in the waiting area.
Boarding starts soon.
Boarding starts soon.
I must have patience.
I must have patience.
Perfect. You asked for help, you found the gate, and you learned to wait with patience.
I feel like a real traveler now. Part 4. Boarding on the plane.
Passengers on flight XY214 to London, please prepare for boarding at gate 12.
Ashley, that's us. Boarding time.
Yes. Get your boarding pass and passport ready.
Like this?
Perfect. Now give them to the staff and smile. Boarding means going inside the plane.
They scanned my ticket. Did it work?
Yes. The beep means it's good. Now let's walk through the tunnel to the plane.
Wow. My first time walking inside.
Here we are inside the airplane. Now find your seat number.
Where is 14A?
Look at the numbers above the seats. 12, 13. Here is 14. And A means the window seat.
Yes, window seat. I can see the wing.
Aisle seat means the seat near the walkway. Window seat means the seat near the window. Overhead bin means the box above for bags. Example, I put my bag in the overhead bin. Don't forget your seatbelt.
Oh, like in a car?
Exactly. Fasten your seatbelt until the plane takes off. Fasten seatbelt means close the belt to be safe. Example, please fasten your seatbelt. Do you know why the lights get dim when the plane takes off?
No. Why?
It helps passengers see the emergency lights if needed, and it makes takeoff safer.
Oh, so not only for style.
Exactly. Airplanes are full of small details for safety. Even the windows must stay open during takeoff and landing.
Wow. I never knew that.
Tom, how do you feel now?
Honestly, I feel proud. At first, I was nervous. I thought I would get lost.
And now?
Now, I am sitting on the plane, safe and ready. Whew. I feel more confident.
That's the lesson, Tom. Travel is like life. At the beginning, everything looks big and scary. But if you take small steps, you can do it.
Small steps, big change.
Exactly. Today you learned. Boarding means going inside the plane. Aisle seat means the seat near the walkway. Window seat means the seat near the window. Overhead bin means the box above for bags. Fasten seat belt means close the belt for safety. Confident means believe in yourself. Shadow me. Boarding starts now.
Boarding starts now.
My seat is a window seat.
My seat is a window seat.
I put my bag in the overhead bin.
I put my bag in the overhead bin.
I fasten my seatbelt.
I fasten my seatbelt.
And that's the end of today's story, Tom's first flight.
Yes! I learned many new words, and I am not afraid anymore.
Great job, Tom. And you too, my friend. Don't forget, you can download the free PDF in the description. It has today's story, vocabulary, and exercises so you can practice more. And subscribe to From Me to English for more clear and slow English stories.
Small steps, big change.
Exactly. See you next time.